Welcome to the Matlab course. So today I'm going to teach you how to start with the Matlab. So what do you mean by Matlab? Matlab generally stands for Matrix Laboratory. That means it is a laboratory where we can play around with the matrix. Okay. So let's start the tour of the interface. So this screen is called the command window. You can type your commands here. Okay. So if you click here, then if you click files, so this is getting slowed down because of network issues. Okay, so here in the file section you can create folders, right? For example, I have created lecture 1 folder, lecture 2 folder, etc. right? Within this folder you can create the files. These files are of the extension type .m. It is called Matlab file. If you create a script file or a function file, then the extension will be .m. So we'll come to that part later. Okay. So moving on, I already told you this is a command window, and you can see examples here. Here's a pre-built examples. If you can learn by watching the examples. Okay. So, and settings, you can set the font size, you can autocomplete on off. Okay, so these are not very important things. So let's go back to the command window here. If you see this right top corner here, so if you open that, this means this is figure window, right? So if you click here, let's say suppose you have plotted one graph, sin x curve. So if you plot that, so that graph will be shown here. Okay, so we'll come to that part. We'll learn how to plot figures as well. Okay, and this icon, that is the icon close to this graph plot, this is the history. So let's say I have typed x equal to 3 earlier, so it is being shown here, right? So if I want to repeat this action again, so you have to check this tick mark, then you have to click the play button like this. So you can redo the action, right? So okay, so if you want to clear the screen, you have to click CLC, right? Okay, fine. Now I want to show you how Matlab operates, right? Let's say a equal to 2. Okay, a equal to 2. Just type a equal to 2 and then press enter. So you're getting equal to 2, right? Again click b equal to 3. Now press enter. Our network issues, so it is being slowed down. Okay, so b is equal to 3. Let's say I want to find the product a into b and store it into c. So c equal to a multiplication in star, this is called asterisk. So a or b. Now press enter. So remember, don't put x to multiply, just put star to multiply. Okay, so press enter now. So the answer is 6, right? 2 into 3 is 6. So this is the way. One more example, let's say first clear the screen, CLC. Remember, if you clear the screen, that doesn't mean that the values are gone. Okay, for example, the C value was 6, so you can see that C is 6. Just type C and press return, you will see 6. So the values are stored in the memory workspace. So if you press CLC, this means you are clearing the screen only. That means you are just rubbing the board. That doesn't mean that you are deleting the C variable from the memory. So if you want to delete the C variable, all the variables, so first click whose and then press return. So if you press whose, then it will show you all the variables. For example, A, how much is the size? 8 bytes. What is the size? 1 cross 1 is a scalar. B, C. Okay. But if you want to see a simpler version, just type who. Who means what are the variables. Just press return. Now you can see I have these variables A, B, C, X, Y, and such. These all are stored in the memory, right? So you can see these are the variables. Suppose I want to clear all the variables from the memory. So to do that, you have to type clear, right? Type clear and then press return. If you see. Okay, the clear is done. Now clear the screen, CLC. Now click WHO because you want to see whether the variables are there or not. Okay, because I have applied clear, that means all the variables being wiped out from the memory, right? So now I want to check whether they are in the memory or not. So let's see. So you can see those variables are gone because you have applied clear, right? So I want to clear the screen now. CLC, type CLC and then press return. Okay. So there are some functions, like we call it Matlab's built-in functions. It's pre-built in the Matlab software, right? So let's go one by one. Suppose you want to find the square root of 2, right? So you have to type sqrt and within parentheses you have to put the value. So this sqrt is pre-built inside the Matlab software. If you type it wrongly, then it won't work, right? You have to type exact the name which is defined as in the Matlab. So square root 2. What should be answer? 1.414, right? So this is your answer. Also, you can do the same thing. You can find the square root of 2 in a different way. Let's say x equal to